Welcome back. You're watching India Tonight. I'm Nivedna Prabhu, and with me is my colleague Sumita Kareer. And of course, we continue to put into perspective more developments that we have for you tonight. But let's focus on what the markets look like, because the market, in fact, Sumita, ended the week on a high note as Nifty reclaimed the 24,900 level on the back of a broad-based rally in metal, financial and consumer durable shares as well. Nifty, in fact, closed higher on a weekly basis as well, with near 1% gains this week. The Nifty Bank also advanced for the fourth consecutive session on a weekly basis. Also, the index closed at its highest level in the past 8 weeks on a closing basis. Now, let's talk about the broader markets, because they found their mojo back for the week as the mid-cap index clocked 2% gains, while the small-cap index registered 1.5% gains for the week. Now, Nifty PSU Bank was the top sectoral gainer this week with over 4.5% gains, while Nifty FMCG also snapped its 2-week losing streak.
Absolutely, Nivedna. In fact, let's keep it with the markets and let's take a look at how the month of October, has been for the D Street over the past 10 years. In fact, seasonality has favored the bulls as Nifty has advanced in 7 of the last 10 years. But what's in store this time around? Well, my colleague Sharath is now joining in with more details and perhaps a bit of crystal ball gazing as well. Sharath?
Well, a very strong start suggested. The last 10-year average returns, Nifty, Nifty Bank and Nifty Midcap all have performed and have ended in the green. Now let's look at the numbers, how it actually pans out. For Nifty itself, in the last 7 years itself, 7 of these instances where we have seen October month closing in green. Of course, the average median return, that stands at roughly 0.6%. Nifty Bank, the story is same, but this time it's not 7 instances, but 8 instances. And also the average median returns, that has gone past the 2% mark. Look at the mid-cap index, they have also closed almost 8 times in the green as well. And the question is how the October returns have actually come out over the last 10 odd years. That's coming on the screen. Lots of greens, but a very big downtick coming in 2024 and 2018, and these were aberrations. But largely October month itself is a strong when it comes to the markets overall. Now let's look at the key sectoral points, which is very important to have a look at. Nifty PSU Bank outperformed Nifty 7 times. Average rate of almost 5.6%, and also we know that on Nifty PSU Bank is on a structural uptrend as well, which we saw last month as well. The indices underperforming Nifty over there on a relative basis. 2 names come, Nifty FMCG and the Nifty IT Pack. They have actually underperformed at least 7 times, averaging just 1.8%. And right now also the current situation, especially for IT, the story remains the same, and even the FMCG pack hasn't picked up so much despite the GST cuts coming in. The October seasonality, the stocks which have closed in green at least 7 times over the last 10 years, as reported by Axis Capital. Names on your screen: PFC, TVS Motor, NMDC, Canara Bank, Suzlon Energy and even SBI make it to the list. But let's look at the stocks which have closed in the red. And these numbers, if you look at it, they have closed in red at least for 7 times. Making it to the list are Vodafone Idea, IndusInd Bank, Astral, Bicon as well as Sammaan Capital.